Are you looking for a side hustle or how you can make money daily with just your mobile phone? There are so many ways to make money online, but using AI tools has already taken all over the world. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make money from generating AI images. And like I promised in the last video, I will also be showing you guys how to cancel your Remini app subscription or any other app subscription on Play Store. I will also show you how to create AI avatars of yourself. AI is now trending everywhere and people are actually making money and cashing out from it. And to join the moving train, ensure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any vital information. Before we forge ahead, if you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like and leave a comment, as these will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the two important things you need for this making money online to work for you is a good internet connection and a smartphone. You will also be needing a WhatsApp account, TikTok or Facebook account. You can download these apps from Play Store. Then for iPhone users, you can download from App Store. Then to start proper, you must know how to generate AI images before jumping into making money from it. I uploaded a well-detailed video on how to generate AI images last week. If you are just joining us and you haven't seen the video, click on the video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen to watch the video. I will also be linking it up in the description box so you can watch it later. So guys, the app for generating these images is called Remini app. This is what the interface looks like. And if you can remember, in our last class, we generated AI images of ourselves. But in today's class, I will be teaching you how to generate those AI images for others, as that is the first step for making money from it. So to retrain these AI models, first click on the settings icon. At the right is for iPhone users, Android users left. So go ahead and click on the settings icon. It will take you to this page. Now go ahead and click on the first one, which says retrain AI model. It's gonna bring out this asking you, are you sure? If you continue, your current model will be deleted forever. Go ahead and click yes, delete model. It will automatically erase the 8 selfies you uploaded earlier while setting up your profile, and it will take you back to resetting your profile again. It's still the same process, so go ahead and set it up. And note that for every client you get, you will have to be setting it up like this in order to generate their AI images for them. I know what's going through your mind right now. How do I get people that would want me to generate these images for them? Do not worry, I will show you how to get clients and what you can use to get them. Just keep watching this video, watch it to the end. I will show you everything you need to know. So if they show interest, tell them your price and also ask them to send you their 8 good selfies. After generating for your first client, you can go ahead and repeat what we just did here, which is retraining your model. Also retrain for the 3rd person, the 4th person. Keep doing it for all of them like that. So after deleting the last person's selfie, go ahead and pick the new person's gender, either male or female. You select, then click continue. It takes you to this page asking you to upload 8 selfies. So go ahead and upload your client's selfies. So from here, it's now the same for both iPhone and Android users. That is why I am just using one now. So guys, it takes you to your gallery. Go ahead and select 8 to 12 photos of your next client. After selecting, go ahead and click add. Then it loads and takes you to this page. Click continue. Then it brings out this asking you to pick a model image. There are different AI models here on different attires: casuals, denims, corporates, beach wears, doctor models, police, chef, even pregnant AI model. So go ahead and pick any model according to what your client wants. After selecting, click use this model image. Then it loads and then brings out the pictures for you. Do well to select the ones that looks exactly like your client according to the number of pictures he or she requested. If you feel the number generated won't be enough for you, do not worry. It's going to bring out this asking you generate more or change model image. If you want more, go ahead and click generate more images. That is if your client requested for more than 5 pictures. Now, if he or she requested for pictures of them in different attires, go ahead and click change model image. You can even decide to switch the gender from here. Even if they want pictures of them as a kid, everything is here. So go ahead and change the model image. Then click use this model image. It's going to load and then boom, the pictures are ready. Select the ones you want and delete the rest. If you feel you're not satisfied with what you have, you can go ahead and click on generate more to keep generating more images for you. So guys, let's move over to the next phase of making money with this app. First is to create a WhatsApp link. Make sure you already have a WhatsApp account. Go to your Play Store and download a Chrome browser or any other browser you feel like using. Go ahead and open it, then search for create.wa.link. Tap on it or click enter, then it takes you to this place. This is the platform that you can use to create a WhatsApp link for your WhatsApp account. Scroll up, then click on that first one saying create a free WhatsApp link. Then input your phone number here. Before that, click here and select your country. Every country is there, so make sure it's in your country before imputing your phone number. So I went ahead to impute a phone number, and after that, next is to add a custom message, and here it says add a custom message that users will send you. So the thing is, after creating this WhatsApp link and someone taps on the link, it's going to direct them to your WhatsApp immediately. Now, which message would you want them to send to you? That is what they are asking for here. That is what they mean by custom message. So since it's all about generating AI images for people, go ahead and type a message that is related to AI images. You can go ahead and type, hello, I am interested and I want you to generate AI images for me. You can go ahead and type any other thing you want. After inputting the custom message, scroll up and click generate my WhatsApp link. After loading, it brings out this showing you that they've generated your WhatsApp link for you. So go ahead and click copy link like so. So guys, after copying the link, let's move over to the next phase, which is adding this your WhatsApp clickable link to your TikTok, Facebook or Instagram bio. So we're going to be starting with TikTok. After that, we move over to Facebook and Instagram. So go ahead and open your TikTok app like so. Next is to click on your profile icon. It will take you to your profile. This is my profile and I already have my YouTube link added to it. So in order to attach your WhatsApp link, go ahead and click on edit profile. It takes you to this page. Now click on website. Here is showing my YouTube link, but yours will be empty. So go ahead, click on it. Then it takes you to this page. Go ahead and paste that WhatsApp link we copied earlier. After pasting it, click save and it saves automatically. It brings you back to this page, showing you that it's already saved. Click back, then it takes you back to your profile. So guys, after adding the link to your TikTok bio, you can go ahead and create a post or a content showing the AI images you generated and referring them to the link in your bio if they need your services. Now this is an example of a catchy content that can attract clients to you. Mix your original picture and the AI image you generated. You can go ahead and convert it to a video. Edit and arrange it in such a way that when people sees it, they will have no other option than to request for theirs. Do not forget to refer them to the link in your bio. Now watch this and understand what I am trying to explain. Click the link in my bio or click on this YouTube icon in my profile for the well-detailed. From the video you just watched, if you notice, I was referring them to the link in my bio. So go ahead and make that catchy post with the AI images you generated. Refer them to the link in your bio and start getting AI jobs. I will still show you how to cancel your subscription in the remaining app. So keep watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I will make a tutorial video on how to edit catchy posts that will attract clients for you. So go ahead and on your notification bell so that you won't miss out on the day I will post this video. So for Facebook, open your Facebook app, then click on your profile icon. It's going to take you to this page, so tap your name like so. Then it takes you to your profile. Click on these three dots. It will take you to this page, so select edit and then it takes you to this page. Scroll up and locate links. Scroll down to this website icon and click on it. As you can see, my YouTube link is there, so the moment you open it, it takes you to this page. Click on add websites and then paste that WhatsApp link we copied earlier. After pasting it, go ahead and change it to public. After clicking the public, you go ahead and click save. And as you can see, your link has been added to your bio like so. You can go back to your profile to confirm that it is visible to the public. So it's the same process with the TikTok own. Go ahead and post a catchy and attractive content of the AI images you generated. Then refer them to the WhatsApp link in your bio. Then for Instagram, open your Instagram app like so. Click on your profile icon. It takes you to your profile. Then go ahead and click edit profile. It takes you to this page. Now click on links, and then it takes you to this page saying add external link. As you can see, I already have my YouTube link there, so go ahead and click add external link, then paste the WhatsApp link we copied earlier like so. After pasting it, you click on that tick above, then it takes you back to this your profile, so go ahead and save it. And as you can see, we've successfully added the link to our bio. So guys, the ball is now in your court. Start creating catchy content and start getting clients. People are really cashing out through generating AI images for people. Guys, this is my Facebook page, and this is one of the contents I created, asking people to click on the link in my bio to watch this video on YouTube, and the turn up was massive. So guys, this is really working. Try it out now and start earning. You can even paste the WhatsApp link on your caption, or you can go ahead and paste it in the comment section and refer people to it. On your notification bell so that you will be notified the day I will be posting this video editing tutorial. And so guys, to cancel your subscription from Remini app or any app at all, go to your Play Store, click on your profile like so, then it takes you to this page. Click on payment and subscriptions, then it takes you to this page. Click subscriptions, then it loads and takes you to this page where you'll see all the apps you subscribed to. If there is any other app you subscribed to, it will be showing here, so you can go ahead and cancel it. But for here, I only subscribed to Remini app, and to cancel it, go ahead and click on it like so. It's going to load, then take you to this page showing you the full details. Go ahead and click cancel subscription. It's going to load and take you to the next page asking you what is making you to cancel. Go ahead and select decline to answer. Click continue. It will bring out this. Click cancel subscription again. It's going to load and bring out this telling you that subscription will be cancelled. And just like they promised, the subscription has been cancelled. Look at it up there. It's showing cancelled. Then if you still want to go back to subscribe, you can click the resubscribe to subscribe back. It's still the same for iPhone users, but if you are using an iPhone and you are finding it difficult to cancel your subscription, go ahead and indicate on the comment section and I will see you through. So guys, to create AI avatars, from the app interface, click on AI Avatars. It takes you to the next phase. Click try now. Then it brings out this. Go ahead and click upload your selfies. Then select from photo library. Scroll up and select 8 to 12 selfies of yours. It's going to load. Then it brings out this asking you to pick your gender. I selected female, clicked generate AI avatars, and then it started creating the avatars for me. It's going to take like 5 minutes to create, and it's going to generate 50 images for you. So maybe that's why it's taking time like this. Our AI avatar is ready, and this is what it looks like. Scroll up, select anyone you like, then click on the download icon to download it. If you're not satisfied and you want more, click generate more. It's going to bring out this asking, are you sure? Generating new avatars will delete the previous ones. Are you sure you want to proceed? Make sure you saved all the avatars you like before proceeding. So go ahead and save the ones you like, because the moment you generate more, it's going to delete every other ones that they generated earlier. So you can go ahead and click yes, proceed. Then it starts loading again. After loading, it brings out more AI avatars for you. So they are really beautiful. You will even be confused on the one to select and the one not to download. So after downloading them, let's see what it looks like. Wow, this is really beautiful. Oh, so fine. You can go ahead and try yours. Please give this video a thumbs up. I want to quickly show you guys how to edit your videos or your pictures with this app. So from this app interface, go ahead and click enhance. Then click on these videos up there. It takes you to the videos in your gallery. Go ahead and select the video you want to edit. So I went ahead to select this one. It's loaded, and then I clicked enhance. It started uploading. From uploading, it started sharpening the video, and next it started reducing the noise. It added more pixels, and boom, our video is ready. Now check out the before and the after, and you are going to notice the difference. You really need to check out these, guys. Then to edit your picture, click on enhance, scroll up and select the picture you want to edit. I selected this one, and next I clicked on enhance. It uploaded the photo and it took me to this page. Now check out the before and the after and know if you want to try this. Please give this video a thumbs up. Drop a nice comment and share with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe and on your notification bell. Thank you so much for watching till now. See you in my next video. Bye.